another sticker haul. This one is from DEK Design / Plan to be Fab, and I am so excited to show you this. I think one of my very favorite kits of all time from DEK Designs just got sent to me. So I am so excited, so excited. But first of all, when you do get an order from them, they always send you a sweet little bow. And I use these in my hobos. There's actually 2 orders here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the 2 bows that I got this time. Are they not the sweetest little bows ever? They work so perfect in my hobo that I love them so much. All right, so I'm gonna put one aside and show you this first. And show you what you get when you mention me. My code is Cricket20, by the way, for DEK Designs. Plan to be Fab does not have a code, but you can mention my name and you will get a foiled freebie if you mention my name. This one right here is the foiled freebie for this month, and it's June. And if you get 3 different color backgrounds in June, you get a shop credit. So make sure that you let us know if you get 3 different colors. But look at this. I mean, this alone is so beautiful. I love these. And then it has like 3 scallop checklist right here, 2 flags right here. It's beautiful. So definitely make sure you mention my name so that you can get one of these freebies. And then this was another freebie that they had this time too, and it's Boo Bear, shaving, mowing, barbecue and fishing, reading the newspaper, drinking a beer, sweating it out. And then this one is watching Netflix or whatever he wants to on the laptop. Dad, sleep, big flag, and then a habit tracker, bow and heart, all done. And these are done in the foil. This one's representing Dad for Father's Day. So I think that's so cute. And this is a PR sampler. If you mention my name, you could get this as well. All right, so let's get started on what I did order. It was a freebie. It is Planner Life, and it was a free 5-sheet kit with dual foil, and it was a $15 minimum purchase required. I got this one in the Erin Condren, so let me show you that first. And again, this one's called A Planner's Life, and it does have dual foiling, so it has the purple foils and then the gold foil as well. So here are your full boxes, and here's the monthly sub box. I love that. I just did a haul on my monthly sub box. This is perfect for me, because like I said, I just did a haul. So I will have that in the description below. You are not going to want to miss the sub box for this month. Well, you will this month. It's only, you can only get it, you have to order by June 2nd to get the next month. But look at this. Is that not cool? So here are your full boxes and your quarter boxes. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, appointment boxes, habit trackers, sidebar, and decorative dots are down here. And then there's the foiling in that. Your ombre bow check boxes, full and half. Your corner flags, your bows, your 3 bow check flags. Your bottom washies and washi strips, all with foiling. Your days of the week. Your large flags, your decorative washi strips, functional hearts, laundry, movie marquee, balloons, and Happy Mail. And that kit right there was free when I bought $15 after using the code and before shipping. So, I mean, that's a free kit, free foil kit. Is that not beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Then I also ordered goals, because I'm using these in my wellness planner. So I got 2 orders of the goals, 2 orders of the macros, and it's protein, carbs, and fat. So I keep those in my planner as well. Then I ordered Boo Bear, and I had to, because y'all, if y'all don't know me, or if you're new to my channel, welcome first of all, but I'm a stylist, so I had to get her. Is she not freaking gorgeous? I love it. I wish I was this cute holding my scissors and hair dryer. So I had to get 2 of those, and that will represent me working. Is she not cute? I love her. She's adorable. And then this is her Boo Bear online shopping, so I had to get 2 of those because I'm constantly doing that too. Etsy and Amazon love me. And then I ordered Lizzie's sampler, and Lizzie's just doing all kinds of things. Just trying to sleep, cleaning, shopping, working in her planner, drinking coffee, grocery shopping, baking. She's just doing all kinds of things. And then I ordered in the gold foiling, today was, for my habit tracker. And I also ordered it in the silver. And that is what I got in the first order. Okay? So I'm actually going to move this aside because I cannot wait to show you this bundle that I ordered. So let me put this one to the side. And I'm going to show you this one. I am so excited. I can't stand it. All right, so on this one right here, this was the Peaches and Cream bundle. It was 9 sticker sheets, 1 clip, and a custom die for the Erin Condren vertical and light. The gold, and it's gold hollow. So first of all, let me show you. I ordered the Hobo Weeks first. Now look at this. And I'm scared to death that my camera is not going to show you the gorgeousness of this kit. Look at this kit. Look how beautiful with the gold foiling. There is your days of the week, your 3 heart scallop checks, your bottom washies, your little full boxes right here, 3 little flag boxes, and 2 larger flags. Is that not beautiful? Oh my God, I am so in love with this. I cannot wait to use this. And then the second page is the high and lows for your weather, your habit trackers, 3 heart boxes, some decorative, and then I think this is your top. Yes, this is your top washi for your hobo. Is this not beautiful, y'all? Oh my God, I cannot wait to use this. Be checking for this because I'll probably be using it next week. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, so there's the hobo kit. I've got to show that off. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, and then here is my die cut with my name on it. Is that not beautiful? Look at that. I'm so excited. I'm trying to get my name. There we go. Here's the deco that it came with. Now this is the bundle. Then it also came with the gold dates. Okay. Oh, here we go. Got to show it all, y'all, because it is absolutely gorgeous. I have to move this over because this kit is pretty substantial. There we go. Okay. Then it came with this bow. And I'm excited to show you. You guys need to go over there and check her out. She's got gorgeous stuff. This bow is handmade with love, wonderfully made crafts. And there's her information. And then, again, her information right here. So go check her out, please. She does beautiful. Look at this gold bow. And it's felt, and oh, it's just so beautiful. It's so soft. And it works perfectly with the kit. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, I'm going to move that to the side. Ready? Oh my gosh, look at this kit. Oh my gosh. Is this not beautiful? This kit is called Peaches and Cream. I am so in love. I'm hoping that they do more of the gold hollow because this is beautiful. Here are your full boxes, and it says sweet as a peach. And your quarter boxes. Oh my gosh. Definitely be checking out because I'll be doing this kit really, really soon. Swear I am. All right, then your quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment boxes, habit trackers, and sidebar, and decorative dots. your full ombre bow check boxes in half, your 3 bow check flags, your corner flags and bows, your bottom washi. Look at this washi, y'all. Oh my God. And washi strips and date covers. Your headers, what to do today, littles, work, to go, to buy, errands, family time, spending, meals, workout. And then your food trackers and asterisks. Your large flags, your glitter headers, your heart icon functionals, your movie marquee, bed, wine, and Happy Meal, your working girl, half doilies, work, meeting, and appointment boxes, and then more deco with the weekend banner. Isn't that not beautiful? Look at that. That is just gorgeous. I love it. So that's your peaches and cream. That is just absolutely amazing to me. And then I also ordered Kokomo. This was a deluxe, a 6-sheet kit for the Erin Condren vertical. I got the light skin tone with the rose gold on it. And here is your full boxes. Now this is amazing. Look at this. So full boxes with your double box again down here, your quarter bow boxes right here, your quarter, half, appointment, habit trackers, and decorative dots and sidebar, your bow ombre checklists, and flags and corner flags and bows, your date covers and bottom washies, love that, and washi strips, your large flags, your glitter headers, your heart icons, movie, bed, Happy Meal, and balloons, and then your headers, all foiled with the food trackers and asterisks. And that is what I got. Y'all have got to go check them out. This stuff is amazing. It is beautiful, and you're not going to want to miss it. And like I said, on DEK Designs, you can use my code Cricket20 for 20% off and mention my name so you can get your freebies. And also, like Plan to Be Fab, they always are running a sale, but make sure you mention my name in the notes to seller. And Plan to Be Fit is now open. Those two are on Etsy. They have their own amounts off. You do not get to use a code, but again, mention my name in notes so that you can get your freebies. All right, guys, I hope that y'all have an awesome, blessed week. Go check them out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell so you know when I do my hauls and my Plan With Me's. And sign up with PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so that you know when all of these are going up. All right, y'all, I hope y'all have an awesome week, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.